Aster is a native North American plant that is a really great wildflower to also add into your home landscape. You can see here it has very large 2.5-inch flowers that will not only attract people but also attract pollinators into your garden. Now these flowers come in a range of white to pinks to purples and even blues, and they set atop this basal growth. It'll bloom about June through September, but it's best if you continue to deadhead it to encourage those flowers to come on. Now this one we have here is a white cultivar, but there's another cultivar called Color Will, which actually starts out with white buds, but those buds slowly transition into more of a purple or bluish color, but they still retain a white center to them. And so as the flower and the plant grows, you'll get several different stages of those flowers, and it'll exhibit different shades of white to purple flowers on one plant. Stokes Aster is hardy from zones 5 to 9. Now if you live in more of a zone 5, you're going to want to mulch this during the winter just to give it a little bit of protection. And actually in zones 9, in the southern climates, it's pretty evergreen, so you're going to have that foliage throughout the winter months. Stokes Aster has no major pest problems, and it likes well-drained, average sandy soils. One of the problems that can cause it to die in your landscape is to really have it setting in wet conditions throughout those winter months. So you want to be aware of that if you have heavy clay soils. While it prefers full sun, you can see it handles partial shade as well. Behind us here under this crepe myrtle, Stokes Aster is really great for our summer heat and is very drought tolerant once it's established. It's another native wildflower that you should consider adding to your landscape.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.